Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nala Marty from Best RV in Trolla, California. Today what I'm presenting to you is the shortest Toyhauler fifth wheel with a bowling alley. It's the brand new 2025 Wolfpack 275 pack. 275 pack 15, and the reason why they say pack 15 because it has a 15-foot garage. But what I like about this Toyhaulers is it's 27 feet, is very roomy. As you see inside, is very open. Number one is come with the patio system. As you see, I'm standing on a patio system. Come with it. Then you have 15 foot from here all the way to the front to the refrigerator. Come with a slide out in the living room, and even the slide out does not affect your toys. Come with nice entertainment centers. As you see, that big TV with a fireplace and mantle, and behind it we have a big huge pantry. You could put all kind of stuff here, all your racing gears, you name it. Also, you could use it for your kitchen if you want to use it as a pantry. But you could see how so roomy it is. Now, the reason why they don't put any beds here is because the people who buy these Toyhaulers, they putting the mattresses over here. They could do whatever flexibility they give you here. Then they give you a nice working bench or eating table, and this is foldable. So if I wanted to fold it down, all I have to do like this, and then I bring it this, and I can fold it down, and then I have a nice beautiful window to look through it. If you want to use it for dining table or working bench, it's right there. You can sit on it. You can put your laptop, 110 plug, USB plug, the A and the C. It's very roomy and nice kitchen to serve food if you want to do that. They give it to you really here open because you could do all kind of stuff. Some people, they bring their own sleeping bags. Some people, they bring on portable beds. Whatever you want to do, you can. But I really look at the corners in the top. You could see this nice, Wolfpack with the blue light and two big speakers. And then you have the two AC. So this unit has actually 2, 4, 6, 8. 6 speakers inside and 2 speakers outside. So you could throw a party if you want to. It's very roomy. You could get your 4-seaters, no question asked. So if you have a 4-seaters, 13.1 or 12.8 or the big one like the 14, you have no problem. You have plenty width for your toys because this comes flush to the walls. There's actually almost 3, 6, 9 tied down in the cargo area. Now, from the kitchen, they give you everything you think about it. It has the nice Furrion hood, 3-burner range with a backsplash. And then you have the convection microwave electric oven. And then you have place for cooking pans as well, storage here. And then there's a storage here for silverware. Tinsels, you have 3 doors for tinsels right there. And then you have the nice country sink with a cup rinse, high-rise faucet, nice prepping area on the left side of the stove and the right side of the sink. They give you the 10.7 12-volt refrigerators. Come with the solar panel, 200-watt solar panel on the roof. Come with the fuel stations, you name it. And going through here is very easy to get in to the bedroom. And if you come to the bedroom, they give you a king size bed with the storage on the top. This is the second AC for the bedroom, a second location for a second TV for the bedroom. But what really I like what they did is when you raise this bed, this is a slick. I like what they did. So I could raise it up. I could sit here, fix my shoes, nice bench. You have all these storage for socks, underwears, plenty. So they realize this area. So you could sit, change your clothes, dress up, get your socks, get your shoes. And then they give you also the washer dryer prep. So now it's a shelf, but if the cameraman go further inside, you will see the hookup for combo washer dryers. And by the way, the combo washer dryer will be here. If you don't want to get one, no problem, but you could utilize it as a storage and shelf. And then you have a big hanging closet, as you see here in the rod. So plenty of room, plenty of storage. I love the valances. It's solid. They're not a paper. There's a plug for breathing machines on the left side of the bed, as well on the right side of the bed. Come with the screen doors outside. So it's loaded. I mean, a lot of storage, a lot of closets. And you could see has everything. One thing about the Wolfpack wood, I really, they did it right, is they giving the big windows, which is, we call them the view windows. Look how big this window is. Look how it's bright. You can see all these things. Same thing in their living. They're giving the side patio doors as well entry doors to give you more room. When we go into the showers, very roomy, nice solid medicine cabinet. It's not plastic. Big sink, prepping area next to the sink, and place for a trash can or toilet paper. Plenty of room for your knees, no issue. Standing showers, easy to get in. Look the height, no problem. Look the elbows, plenty. You have fantastic fan in the bathroom. And going down here, you have a full controller of your gadgets, so you could see the voltage of the battery. I have here all the fresh and black and gray water tank, all the light. It has a tank heater, so this has heated enclosed underbelly with heated pad on the tank. So if you go to extreme cold weather, all you do, you turn that switch, and that will warm your tanks so they don't freeze up. Water pump. This is the front awning, and then the slide out. So it's very roomy. And then this is the Bluetooth speakers where I could take my phone, get the speaker through, my music through this, and they all come through that speakers. And this is the control for the air conditioner front and back. As you see from this unit, I love this patio. And then also you have beautiful sliding glass door where you could come from to the unit. You could see your toys and this. So let's go outside and show you one of the features they provide. So if the cameraman follow me, look how beautiful this one. It's a 27 feet, so you don't have to buy a humongous Toyhauler to take your four-seater with you. You could see in the top, that's the 200-watt solar panel. You could see there's 2 AC in the top, big power awning. It cover your outside. Come with a TV bracket here on the wall with a plug-in for the coax and 110, 2 outside speakers. So you could have the nice game watching here, barbecue, grilling, eating, and enjoy the inside, the outside of that unit. Now, this unit is because it's 27.5 feet. I don't have to put auto leveling on it. So they come with electric stabilizer jack in the back, electric stabilizer jack in the front. So it is all electric, nothing manual. One of the feature also, it has the LP Quick Connect. So if I have a grill, I could hook it up here and cook. There's a place here to latch anything you want, or even if you have a dogs or cats. But look at it. Look all these windows on the side. It makes it very bright inside. Coming down here, we have the pass-through storage from both sides. And this one pass through to the front. So you could plenty of room to put your lounge chairs and tables. There's the place for the generator if you want. With this unit, we equipped it with generator and one without the generator, because some people, they say, I have generator, I don't want it. Place for your batteries. Then look, these blue light LED in the front, so you could see at night when you hitch up your truck. You don't have to worry. And then it comes with the 220 pounders of propane tanks, one on this side and one on the other side. And then this is the pass-through storage. You could see. And you can see the passenger. You could control the slide out also from outside as well inside. All the hookup, the city water connections, filling the water tank, the black tank flush, outside sprayer to rinse your hand if some stuff come in your hand when you're dumping. Endless hot water heater. Let me line it up. And then here's your cable satellite, 50 amp cord, as you see, 50 amp, because you have 2 AC, by the way. And coming down here is we have the fuel station, and this is the 40-gallon fuel station. 30 gallons. I apologize. It's a 30-gallon fuel station. Here's your controller. The nozzle is right here, and that's where you fill your tank for the fuel station. And this tank also feeds the generator if you want to have built-in generators. And this is the patio, easy to get in. You could walk through here to the patio. This unit comes with the backup camera, and this camera run off of your cell phone. And then outside lights, you could see how roomy, how bright it is. It's amazing. So folks, I don't know how to say it. This is a perfect toy hauler if you want to get a 27-foot bowling alley. What do you mean by bowling alley? It's open. There's no garage. And we have a price for this unit no one could match in the state of California. That's where we are very well known, and no any hidden fees. So when you come in and buy it, we wash it, clean it, prep it, and show you everything is ready for you at no cost to you. We give you a free get ready package. So you just buy it straight to campground and go enjoy, or no, go to the beach and bring your toys with you. Come to Best RV and grab the Wolfpack 275 Pack 15.